Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.
I think the most exciting thing in the industry is there's government funding. We've got an infrastructure bill, we've got excitement, we've got growth. I think we've got growth from all fronts. We've got private development, we've got public development, we've got private enterprise, producers who are investing in the future. We've got manufacturers like ourselves who are investing in the future and trying to develop products that are more sustainable, and we can continue to grow and build because we have to, but do so in a way that it makes way for the generations to come. I mean, the biggest headwinds that everybody is facing is availability, inflation, cost uncertainty, product viability long term. You know, we have this today. Is it going to be available tomorrow? That's not a question from a manufacturer, but an operator might be having that question. You know, like manufacturers are coming and going, they're getting acquired, things are being obsoleted. So having trust in supply chain that's very important right now, and it's very uncertain all at the same time. We're diversified in our supply chain enough to the extent that we're not held captive by our supply chain, but at the same time, we are very tight with our supply chain, and so we know what problems they will be facing before they become problems for us, and they give us time to get ahead of any issues that there might be. We produce a lot domestically, and then things that we don't produce domestically, we do so in countries that have favorable operating environments. You know, our biggest import comes from South Africa. They've got a very stable government, they've got a stable economy, a very industrialized nation, and we have actually our own company division in South Africa to help manage that. So we've been able to stay in front of any issues for those reasons. So, you know, in tech, I would say, like everything else, things that can be automated are attempting to be automated, and then data. Just every piece of equipment that is in operation in any environment is producing data. Whether we're gathering, consolidating, and trying to understand that data is a question. And some people are trying to answer that in some areas, and other areas are being left open for, you know, developing that further. But I think that that's going to be a trend that we continue to expound upon in this industry, is harnessing that data. We're back. Totally. It's a big show. There's a lot of people here. I think everyone's excited. I think that even people who weren't going to Ag1 pre-pandemic is now like, I can get out of the office and see people and shake their hands, and we can talk without masks and things. Yes, I'm going. So that's really been great. The things that are most exciting for me to see out there is that our customers are excited. The excitement and the growth and the energy just in the general industry right now is at a level that I haven't seen before. You know, I think unfortunately it's coincidental to major barriers to some growth right now, with the fact that if you want to build or grow a plant, you can't necessarily get the products you need to do so in a timely manner, and you're also encountering cost fluctuations that we haven't seen in decades, really, I mean, ever. So it's kind of a little bit of both. It's exciting and unnerving all at the same time. Well, our customers, I think, are doing really well. I mean, I think the health of this industry is better than it's ever been in the 10 years that I've been involved in it. So it's really exciting to see, and yeah, I'm excited to see what 2022 will hold. I feel like the past several years are in my rear view, and I've broken the rear view mirror off. We're moving on, and it's exciting.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.